Thank you guys for getting the light training. I'm back at the office today. We got Big Nick coming in. We got some other special guests. So I'm gonna go talk to them, get their experiences on social media, what they think about, what helped them grow, what helped them get to that little spot they wanted to get to. When I first came out here, everything wasn't how it was, Yeah. Like really, we started from the bottom, now we're here, as the Drake quote says, Everyone thinks, oh, hey Dom, it's super easy to get followers. I'm just gonna do it overnight.
Yeah.
And last time I said the things you needed was information and you need the work, right? But now I actually think you need three things. You need the information, the work, and you need the focus as well. Yeah. There's gonna be a lot of things that steer you away from achieving those goals that you wanna achieve, or fulfilling the tasks that you wanna fulfill, a lot of noise, parties, whatever, girls. Yeah. If you only post one video, or if you only do one song, or if you only freaking make one music video, the chances of you blowing up, it's not gonna happen overnight. You have to do multiple work, multiple processes of work. Life is kind of like golf. If you hit the ball incorrectly and you swing at it wrong, then you're probably gonna break shit and you're not gonna get anywhere. Yeah. But if you practice and you focus and you perfect your craft, and you have the perfect swing, then things will go a lot smoother. And we got VIP. How fast would you say you grew? Like a lot of people think people just blow up overnight, right?
Man, it took a lot of time, man. It took me about 5 months to hit 100K.
Okay, and this was on Vine, right?
Yeah, and then I hit 200K the next month, okay. 300K the next month.
As you started building that momentum, more people started coming faster.
Yeah, man. Never.
Usually in the first 2 months, nothing's gonna happen.
Sometimes it takes a year.
Sometimes it does take a year,
you know what I'm saying?
I wanna make it feasible for everyone, because I was a broke kid growing up too, even when I was making videos, I didn't have hella money or nothing, right? Because I saw some of your Vines that you did before, right? It was literally just stupid young kid doing dumb shit.
Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? I was just balling on a budget back in the day, man. But now I'm really eating.
That's right. I kind of cringe at some of my old videos that I did,
too, man.
But it's okay, guys. You can still make the videos, and it's cool. When you're making the videos, right? Did you give a fuck at that point?
I didn't give a shit. Now I look back and I'm like, nah, that's not what I'm trying to do.
Okay.
But back then I didn't care. I was in the zone, you know what I mean? And I just did whatever I wanted to do, man,
For a lot of people, feel like they're scared or something to make videos.
If you're scared to make videos, then you just don't have it in you to be a star. People who want to be a star and people who want to be at the top,
that's right,
don't care what anyone else thinks.
So, for all you broke people like me, I'm giving you $8 a month option. $8 a month, super cheap. You get access to everything. You get the courses. You get to hang out with Big Nick. Guess what? For $8 a month, Big Nick's gonna come to your house personally. He's gonna
massage you. I'm looking for a bust down AP with diamonds in it.
I'm scared, Big Nick. You change.
Don't be scared, Dom. Everything's gonna be okay.
I'm scared of Big Nick. I don't like the new Big Nick.
Everything's gonna be okay.
What's up, guys? Here back at the apartment right now. I wanted to make something special for you guys, and something affordable, because I understand a lot of you guys don't have a lot of money, even myself, I'm not freaking balling over here. I'm not freaking driving Lambos and have big mansions and shit, So I wanted to make something that everyone, any ages could watch and understand and, grow their social media following, right? I will 100% guarantee that the product will change your life, all right? If you're trying to be a social media person, obviously if you're just whatever about it, it's probably not gonna change your life. It's probably not gonna do wonders for you, right? But I'm telling you, if you put in the work and use the information that I give you here, you're gonna freaking blow up. I'm gonna give you a 2-month course, kind of going over the business of social media, going over, how to start from zero, how I got started, how a lot of other people I know got started, different tactics that they're using, right? I'm gonna do it for $8, just $8 a month, all right? I'll give you 30 days to try it out, and let's say in 30 days you don't like it, guess what, take your $8 back. I don't want your freaking $8, all right, guys? If you really don't find the information useful and you think oh, this is gonna be worth my time, it's not gonna be worth my money every month, completely cool, take your money back. I don't need your $8, guys. If you do end up staying, of course, you're gonna get the full course and you're gonna get new content coming out every 3 months, all right? Every 3 months, I'm gonna keep updating the syllabus, keep putting different content inside there for, people to keep watching and keep learning. A lot of people are trying to make videos, put content out there, they just don't really know, or they are making videos and they're like, why aren't these getting views? I don't know what's going on, and then they give up, and then, they go nowhere, right? On top of that, I'm gonna be doing live Q&A, maybe if you wanna ask me a question actually on the stream, hey Dom, you kind of didn't really explain this in your course, or hey Dom, can you make a course on this? Or what are your thoughts on this? Or this challenge is popping this week. You know what, maybe we should make a video about that. Whatever it is, right? You're gonna be in it, okay? You're gonna get emailed, you're gonna get notified, however you freaking want to get reached. Now if you're like, listen Dom, I don't want to pay $8 a month, that's too big of a commitment for me, whatever it is, right? For $45, I'm just gonna give you the whole course, right? So you're gonna get the whole Influenceia social media course, you know, basically every course in the 2-month syllabus, but of course you're gonna get it right there, right on the spot. Boom, there you go, right in your hands. And let's say you get it and you're like, you know what, Dom, this isn't really for me, you know, I didn't find the information useful, I don't really wanna be an influencer like that much, I just was trying to do it, whatever. That's cool, take your money back. I don't want people buying this course that are gonna be like, oh yeah, I'm trying to be an influencer, and then they make like one video and it's like, oh, why didn't I blow up? Like I want the people that are actually like dedicated and actually want to do it and actually like, want to learn and implement the stuff that I teach them, you know, because I want to see people like blow up off of my stuff. Like that would make me feel awesome. Like, yo Dom, I implemented your tactics. I went from 1,000 to freaking 100,000 followers. Now for the people that are like, yo Dom, this other stuff's not really gonna cut it for me. I'm looking to like, you know, connect with you more on a personal basis, you know, talk to you and ask you the questions and get like more exclusive mentorship. This is what the VIP mentorship is for, all right? So with this, you're gonna get the elite membership, which is, you know, of course, the 2-month syllabus. And then on top of that, also the new content that's coming out on Influenceia, you know, every few months. On top of that, what I'm doing is I'm gonna have like closed group, you know, coaching sessions. So basically, it'll probably be like a group of us on Skype, 30 to like 50 people inside the room. So everyone's gonna be able to ask me questions beforehand. You guys can email them in. I'm gonna have my assistants look over it, and then basically I'm gonna answer everyone's question, you know, at least one of everyone's question, right? And if I have time, of course, I'll answer more of people's answer, you know, questions, whatever. A lot of you guys hit me up in the DMs like asking me questions. This is kind of what I did this for, and like, I don't know, low-key I might get like a second phone number for the VIP people so they can like text me, you know, because I know a lot of times some people miss the live streams and it's like, you know, we're out and about, right? So it's a lot easier for you just to shoot me a text like, yo Dom, I got a question, this and this and this. I don't know, maybe that's too crazy. Maybe I would be freaking overwhelmed. I don't know, maybe I'll do that in the future. I'm really just trying to do this for like a closed group of people, probably maybe like I said, 20, 30 people to start out with. I already have 6 people right now. So yeah, this is gonna be like a limited time thing. Once I have like too many people to coach personally, like I'm not gonna do it anymore, okay? Thank you guys so much for investing in your future, you know, taking this time out, check the site out, being like, yo Dom, I do wanna become an influencer. I wanna know how the heck you guys are doing it. This is the first step. Thank you so much, you know, and you know, I know this stuff's gonna help you. Maybe right now you're like, yo Dom, $8 is too much for me. I really can't afford it. That's cool. Check out the light training, okay? Check it out. If you really like it, then make up your mind. And like I said, if you're still like, you know, kind of iffy on it, get it. 30 days, you don't like it, take your money back. No worries. All right, y'all. Peace.